Have you ever dreamed of an RV that adapts to your life, whether you're traveling with family, working on the road, or just craving that extra flex space for your lifestyle? Well, this might be the one. Today, we're stepping inside the 2026 Jayco Eagle 355 MBQS, a mid-bunk fifth wheel that's redefining what multi-purpose living feels like on wheels. It's not just about more room, it's about smart space. The question is it a family bunkhouse or the perfect home office RV for full-time travelers? By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly which side you're on. Let's start outside, because the 355 MBQS makes its first impression before you even step inside. The 2026 model brings a sharper, more aerodynamic front cap design with integrated LED contour lighting. The nose profile has been slightly reshaped to improve towing aerodynamics, and Jayco's signature Stronghold VBL laminated sidewalls give it that solid, premium feel. The color palette is elegant, a blend of soft gray and white tones with modern graphics that keep it timeless. Underneath, you've got a fully enclosed and heated underbelly, so this fifth wheel is ready for extended season adventures. The Jayco Smart Control System is standard, so you can manage lighting, slides, and awnings right from your smartphone. There's also a large pass-through storage bay, prepped for solar and backup camera systems, and a power awning with LED lighting that stretches out to create a wide outdoor living space. It's a setup that already hints at luxury camping, or, as many now call it, luxury living on the move. Stepping inside, the first thing that hits you is how residential the 355 MBQS feels. You're greeted by a warm, open-concept living area with soft LED lighting, high ceilings, and an interior color scheme that leans toward modern farmhouse, a mix of matte finishes, light cabinetry, and dark hardware accents. The living room layout centers around comfort: a pair of theater-style recliners facing the entertainment wall, a large trifold sofa that converts to an extra bed, and a 4K smart TV above a modern electric fireplace. The combination makes this space equally inviting for movie nights, remote work, or simply relaxing after a long day on the road. Jayco paid close attention to small details: quiet closing drawers, blackout roller shades, and residential-grade vinyl flooring that's both stylish and durable. Moving forward, we reach the kitchen, and this one could easily rival what you'd find in a high-end apartment. The 355 MBQS features a large kitchen island with a deep stainless sink and residential-style faucet, surrounded by solid-surface countertops that feel cool and solid under your hands. Appliances include a 21-inch oven, a 3-burner cooktop with a glass cover, a microwave, and an optional residential refrigerator for those planning extended trips. There's also generous pantry space, which is something many mid-bunk layouts often compromise on, but not here. To the side, you'll find the dining nook, a freestanding table with 4 chairs, right next to a big panoramic window. Imagine sipping your morning coffee there with mountain views or working on your laptop while parked beside a quiet lake. It's the kind of everyday luxury that makes full-time RV living feel completely natural. Now, here's where the 355 MBQS truly earns its identity: the mid-bunk room. Traditionally, this area serves as a second bedroom for families, but Jayco's layout flexibility transforms it into whatever you need it to be. The room features a trifold sofa that converts into a bed, a built-in desk area, storage cabinets, and a full-size wardrobe. It's the perfect setup for parents traveling with kids or for remote workers who want a private office space separate from the main living area. Close the sliding door, and it becomes a quiet workspace with natural light filtering through the side window, ideal for video calls, editing, or writing on the go. Open it back up, and you've got a cozy family zone or even a guest suite. Above this space, there's also a loft area, accessible via ladder, perfect for kids, pets, or additional storage. The combination of mid-bunk and loft gives this RV a level of spatial versatility that's hard to beat. Next, let's move up toward the front and stop at the bathroom. The 355 MBQS bathroom feels premium the moment you step in. There's a large one-piece fiberglass shower with glass doors, an upgraded showerhead, a skylight, and a porcelain foot flush toilet. Storage is excellent too: medicine cabinet, linen space, and deep shelves for toiletries. It's all finished with high-contrast fixtures and soft LED lighting, keeping the mood calm and clean. At the very front, the master suite welcomes you with residential comfort. The queen bed comes standard, but many buyers opt for the king upgrade. You'll also find wardrobes on both sides, overhead cabinets, and a full front wardrobe closet that's prepped for a washer and dryer. Windows on both sides of the bed provide cross-ventilation, something you'll appreciate during warm nights off-grid. The lighting is subtle, the textures are soft, and the ceiling height remains generous, even at the front cap. It's a bedroom that feels quietly luxurious, not flashy, but genuinely relaxing. One of the reasons Jayco's Eagle lineup continues to stand out is their commitment to construction quality. The 355 MBQS rides on a 5-star handling package, which includes Goodyear Endurance tires, Dexter axles with the Dexter Easy Lube hubs, and MORIDE CRE 3000 suspension. That combination gives you a noticeably smoother towing experience, especially on long highway hauls or uneven campgrounds. The roof is a Magnum truss system, one of the strongest in its class, and Jayco backs it all with their industry-leading 2-year limited warranty plus 3-year structural coverage. These are things you might not notice at first glance, but they're what make this fifth wheel not just beautiful, but reliable. When you live or travel in a unit like the 355 MBQS, what stands out most is its balance. You're getting a genuine home-on-the-road experience, but without the clutter. The mid-bunk room allows for flexibility, family during summer trips, workspace during the week, and guest space when friends visit. The open living area gives you that social warmth, and the private front bedroom ensures you can still retreat into calm when the day is done. For full-timers, that adaptability is gold. For weekend travelers, it's comfort without compromise. Compared to many other mid-bunk models in this class, think Grand Design Reflection or Cougar 368 MBI, the Eagle 355 MBQS stands out for its loft integration and office-ready mid-bunk setup. Some competitors either skip the loft or sacrifice the desk area for more seating, but Jayco keeps the balance just right. Add in the Jayco Man Smart System, the premium suspension package, and the overall residential interior finish, and it's clear why the 355 MBQS is often called one of the most versatile fifth wheels for 2026. Picture this: it's early morning, soft light streaming through the window blinds. You're sitting at the mid-bunk desk with a fresh cup of coffee, sending off a few emails before the family wakes up. A few hours later, that same space becomes a playroom or a quiet guest nook for visiting friends. That's what makes the Eagle 355 MBQS special. It doesn't lock you into one lifestyle. It grows, flexes, and adapts with you. Whether your journey is about family adventures or remote work freedom, this fifth wheel gives you the ability to live it your way. So, is it a family bunkhouse or a home office on wheels? Honestly, it's both. And that's exactly why the 2026 Jayco Eagle 355 MBQS is making waves this year. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, let us know in the comments, would you use the mid-bunk room as an office or a bedroom? And if you love seeing the latest luxury RVs and motorhomes, make sure you're subscribed, we've got plenty more coming your way soon. Until next time, safe travels, and we'll see you down the road.